चलो, व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी?
Sir, it's like a chance. It's an unpredictable, it's an unpredictable like
बेटा
chance
वो
of
सारी जगह पे अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, जरूरी नहीं कि अनप्रेडिक्टेबल हो, राइट?
so
ओके।
like it's a chance
Unpredictable possibility
पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ व्हाट?
of two things being deferred.
टू थिंग्स, खाली टू थिंग्स ही हो सकता है?
Sir, a situation.
काय का सिचुएशन?
Sir, no examples, right?
नो एग्जांपल। प्रोबेबिलिटी इज व्हाट? एग्जांपल बाद में समझाना, मेरे को नहीं समझ, पहले प्रोबेबिलिटी का डेफिनेशन तो बताओ, व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी? व्हाट डू मीन बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी?
so like um
यू आर इन आईजीसीएसई, योर इंग्लिश शुड बी बेटर देन माइन, है ना? यू शुड नो हाउ
like
टू
a
कंपेयर.
random event.
Don't go by the mathematical definition, right? You will not able to reach there, right? Random experiment, unpredictable, ये
So
सारी चीजें मैथमेटिकल है, राइट?
हाँ
ठीक है, एक
A
सिंपल
measure, a measure,
मेजर ऑफ व्हाट?
a specific event that will occur.
ये वापस मैथमेटिक्स में चले गए।
Sir,
इवेंट तो कहाँ पे हो सकता है?
sure.
बिना मैथमेटिक्स के बताओ क्या हो सकता है?
so it's like random like
वापस रैंडम में घुस गया, राइट?
so it's
चांस ऑफ
like
व्हाट? चलो मैं तुमको हिंट दे दूं, चांस ऑफ व्हाट?
A chance.
चांस ऑफ व्हाट?
a chance of an event occurring.
ओके, सपोज यू आर नॉट स्टडीड, राइट?
Yeah.
तुमने कुछ स्टडी नहीं किया एंड देयर इज एग्जाम, ठीक है? व्हाट यू डिजायर? व्हाट
Uh,
व्हाट
so,
व्हाट व्हाट यू विश? एग्जाम
so
कैंसिल हो जाए, राइट?
yeah.
है ना?
Uh,
या यू विल गेट 2-3 मोर डेज, करेक्ट है ना?
yeah.
तो ये तो इवेंट कहाँ हो रहा है? इवेंट तो कैंसिल हो गया। हाँ हाँ, पार्टी तो कैंसिल हो गई तेरी,
Uh,
तो भी उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है ना? व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एग्जाम गेटिंग कैंसल, राइट?
so like
तो इवेंट
it,
तो नहीं हो रहा ना, इवेंट तो कैंसिल हो गया, राइट बेटा?
A situation.
अरे सिचुएशन किस चीज का? चलो, मैं एक तुमको एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
Hmm.
ओके, मेरे को बता कि इफ आई वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग, करेक्ट? चलो, सपोज ऋत्वी ने बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर किया, राइट? डेसिमल का एग्जाम है, ऋत्वी हैज प्रिपेयर वेरी वेल, करेक्ट? एंड प्रैन इज नॉट प्रिपेयर एट ऑल, उसको डेसिमल क्या है मालूम ही नहीं है, डेसिमल का एग्जाम है, राइट? सो व्हाट ऋत्वी विल से? एग्जाम होना चाहिए, नहीं एग्जाम होना चाहिए? टुमारो इज एग्जाम, 24 फरवरी 2026 इज एग्जाम,
होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए। प्रैन तेरा क्या है व्यू?
I hope it gets delayed.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट है ना?
Yeah.
तो क्या हो गया? नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एग्जाम शेड्यूल ऑन टाइम? जितना शेड्यूल है,
It's a
राइट?
90%.
95%, 90%, 98%, right? Probability of getting cancelled is very, very remote, right?
Yeah.
Ryan, ठीक है? But if I want probability, right? If I ask, okay, chalo, if I throw dice, normal dice, right? What is the probability of getting a 7 on the top?
Sir,
So zero.
impossible.
Getting a
Impossible.
0 on the top,
Sir, impossible.
Possible.
right? Impossible. तो तू बोला ना सर, you can't predict. I'm predicting it, right?
Yeah.
Anything, it cannot come between anything from 1 to 6, only it will come on the dice, right?
Yeah.
You cannot get 0. Suppose I have a three colors, red, three or five colors, right? White, black, green, uh, blue, and red, right? What is the probability of getting yellow?
So what?
I get black, white, black, red, green, and blue.
So the
I have a spinner, right?
yeah,
In it, I have 5 colors. What is the probability getting yellow?
sir, impossible.
Very good. Correct, है ना?
No.
What is the probability of sun rising from east every day?
Sir,
Impossible.
Ay, sabas.
no, sir, it's certain.
Oh, sorry. Sir, I thought rising.
कभी कभी उंगली फेंक देता हूँ बेटा मैं. तुम कितना अटेंडेंस से सुनते हो ये भी दैट आल्सो आई चेक राइट. ओके प्रयान रिपीट व्हाट आई आस्क.
Sir, what is the likelihood of the sun rising in the east?
करेक्ट. एवरी डे राइट. एवरी डे सनराइज होता है ना.
हाँ.
बट इसको ऋत्विक को आदत है कि सर उल्टा पूछते हैं हमेशा राइट. तो कभी कभी सीधा भी पूछ लेता हूँ बेटा. करेक्ट. बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग ऑल इम्पॉसिबल इम्पॉसिबल. सो आई पुट इट सर्टन इवेंट राइट नाउ राइट. So it is not always non-predictable. But sometimes there is a certain event which are definitely 100% which is certainly possible and one is impossible, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Which I say, okay. So there are so many events which you cannot predict. Suppose I am tossing a coin. Okay. Getting a tiger out of it.
So that's impossible.
Correct. So either you get head or tail, right? Tiger कहाँ से आएगा, right? So
So
I can ask.
actually, on the coin there
हाँ मेरे को
is.
मालूम था तू पक्का बोलेगी. मेरे को आई वॉज 100% श्योर. है ना. मेरे को आई वॉज श्योर कि विल टेल समथिंग और अदर राइट. ठीक है. इट कैन बी बट इट इज नॉट अ टाइगर ना. इट इज नॉट अ रियल टाइगर राइट.
Yes, sir.
इट इज
Not
नॉट अ
at all.
टाइगर फोटो नहीं होता राइट. इट इज आइदर हेड और टेल. करेक्ट ना.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ठीक है. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज गेटिंग एट द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द डिजायर रिजल्ट. क्या है
Desire result.
Tried result.
डिजायर रिजल्ट? तुम्हारा कुछ भी हो सकता है राइट. यू मे थिंक इट शुड रेन राइट. यू आर सिटिंग ऑन द बालकनी. मम्मी ने मस्त भजिया बनाया. ओके. वेरी हॉट कॉफी हॉट चॉकलेट एंड भजिया चट्टी के साथ. यू से इट शुड रेन. ओके. मैं अभी ऑफिस में जा रहा हूँ तो वैसे इट शुड नॉट रेन. करेक्ट ना. सो मेरे
Yeah.
कपड़े खराब हो जाएंगे. मेरे को लेट हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. व्हाट इज आई विश इज इट शुड नॉट रेन. व्हाट यू विश इज इट शुड रेन राइट.
Yeah.
When you are doing masti, okay, Holi, now Holi is 1 week away, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you will play Holi?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. Full on.
Yeah, full on.
So
खेलने से
last
कभी क्या
time,
है?
प्रिया ने मेरे एक वाटर बलून मेरे नाक पे फेंका था और बहुत दर्द हुआ था मेरा.
Oh, ठीक है. सेफली खेलो. आराम से खेलो. राइट. बट प्ले सेफ होली. राइट. ठीक है. सो व्हेन यू प्ले दिस होली तो उस दिन अगर से कि एनीबडी से इसके कलर डालो तो you'll wish कि everybody should put color on your head, right?
Yeah.
यस. चिक और ऐसे सब बहुत खेलते हो राइट.
So
गुलाल
unless
गुलाल
it's
ऑल दैट.
permanent.
वाटर 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 डालोगे तो मजा आएगा. एवरीबडी विल राइट. शावर के अंदर जाओगे बाहर विल एंजॉय राइट.
Yeah.
बट अगर तुम स्कूल में जा रहे हो तुम्हारे ऊपर कोई कलर डाल देगा तो
Mm,
नहीं ना. बिकॉज
So I
वापस
got
घर
the
पे आके चेंज
excuse
करना
of
पड़ेगा
going
राइट.
back home.
सो यू टू कम होम एंड डू द वापस ड्रेस चेंज करके जाना पड़ेगा राइट. बिकॉज स्कूल में अलाउड नहीं करेंगे ऐसे राइट ना.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
One place you wish is somebody should put water and color on me. Sometime you say they should not put. Correct. And what is the probability कि आ जाएगा तो कभी suppose they put color on you. क्या बोलेगा. अरे क्या हो गया अभी होली को टाइम है ना. बट ऑन द holiday you will not say right कि क्या
Yeah.
कर रहे हो right.
Yes, sir.
Correct. ठीक है. So clear. So it
Yes.
is chance of desired result right. Now what is theoretical probability and what is practical probability? What does it mean? Experimental probability and theoretical probability क्या होती है? Now if I throw a dice, we assume the dice is not biased. Bias means it is fair dice. Correct है? It's a fair dice. Correct है ना?
Huh.
ठीक है. So when you have the fair dice, what you get? Everybody has an equal chance, right?
Yes, sir.
You and Ritvi and all the school, your student, you get the same paper? Yes or no?
Yeah.
You get the same time?
Yeah.
Same paper for everyone?
Yeah.
So everybody is a fair chance to deal. फिर भी कोई फर्स्ट आता है कोई लास्ट आता है ना.
हाँ.
सबको सब टीचर ने सेम पढ़ाया.
हाँ.
लेकिन कोई फुटबॉल खेला कोई डीजी के साथ इमेजी का गया तो नहीं किया. है ना.
हाँ.
करेक्ट. सो मार्क कट जाएगा राइट. और फिर मेरी
Yes.
डांट पड़ेगी. ऐसा होगा नहीं राइट क्योंकि मैं जाने नहीं दूंगा तुमको अनप्रिपेयर्ड. हम्म. So ideally, everybody should get the all correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It does not happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yeah.
when you play Ludo or any game with your this thing, your business or anything, right? You want something, you want three or you want four, right?
Yeah.
Ludo में you cut the somebody else's pawn, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
तो क्या होता है तुमको चाहिए कि थ्री आया है तो ब्रायन का पॉन उड़ा दूं. वापस घर पे चला जाएगा. और ब्रायन बोलेगा तीन ही आना चाहिए बाकी कुछ भी आ चलेगा राइट.
Mm,
सो व्हाट इज हिज डिजायर इज
3 months.
थ्री मत आए. एंड तेरा डिजायर क्या होगा थ्री आना चाहिए. तो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर यू थियोरेटिकली. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. थियोरेटिकली प्रोबेबिलिटी यू से इज
50
वन अपॉन
50.
सिक्स करेक्ट बिकॉज देयर आर सिक्स पॉसिबिलिटीज राइट.
Yeah.
एंड फॉर प्रयान इट इज फाइव अपॉन सिक्स राइट. तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली he has a higher winning rate right. He has a more probability to do it right.
Yes, sir.
And you have less probability but हो सकता है कि exactly you get three. Possible है ना बहुत बार होता है right.
हाँ.
Correct. And that is how the game is right. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
what is like a random experiment. But suppose if I toss the coin for 10 times, what is the probability getting head or tail?
Sir,
50-50.
certain.
Hmm.
Certain.
अरे certain क्या head or tail मतलब how many times I'll get head, how
50-50.
many times I'll get tail.
Sir, sir, even
50-50.
chance. Even chance.
Even chance. अब तूने पहले सुना नहीं मैंने. You are drinking water right. What I asked.
Sir, no, I thought that you said what is the probability that like on in a coin when you toss a coin you will get heads or tail.
No, before that I spoke one thing, one more thing. क्या बोला था ऋत्वी मैंने? If I toss the coin 10 times.
50-50.
अच्छा.
Sir,
कॉइन
even
निकाल.
chance.
कॉइन
Even
निकालो
chance.
कॉइन निकालो जरा और लास्ट टाइम मैंने एक्सरसाइज कराया था ना तुम लोग से.
हाँ.
Sir, I actually got even chance. I got 5-5.
वापस कर. जादूगर. वापस 10 टाइम डाल.
Sir, I got 8.
अरे
I
डालो
got
कॉइन लेके आओ फटाफट एक बार करो चलिए 10 टाइम्स फटाफट
Papa,
करो. फटाफट करो.
coin, coin, coin.
हो गया?
Next one.
कितना हो गया? जल्दी फटाफट करो। रयान किधर है?
Sir, I just got the coin.
हाँ, अजी इतना टाइम कौन लाने में?
Sir, I couldn't find it, so I'm using a sequence method.
जल्दी करो फटाफट।
Sir, I got 50-50.
यार चलो।
Sir, I
प्लान
got
क्या
50.
है? ठीक है चलो। आई एम टॉसिंग द कॉइन, ओके? देखो, आई गॉट हेड। ऋतुलिक, अगेन हेड। थर्ड टाइम अगेन हेड। टेल 3-1। हेड 4-1। टेल 4-2। हेड 5-2।
5.
हेड 6-2। हेड 7-2। हेड 8-2। करेक्ट? So how much I got? 8 times. Theoretically, what it says?
50-50.
Theoretically, it says.
50.
Ryan, किधर है?
Sir,
Where are you?
sir, I'm here only.
I can't see you.
अरे but I don't have space. Sir, I'm using this.
अरे हो गया मेरा ऑलरेडी लिख के। Now theoretically, if you ask, okay, how much? What is the probability of getting head, and what is the probability of getting the tail? The theoretically it is 1/2, right?
Yeah.
If I say what is the probability of getting 1 on the dice?
It's 1/6.
6.
Very good. Because there are total 6 outcome. Out of this, 1 is 1, right? What is the probability of getting 4?
For 1/6.
1/6.
What is the probability of getting 5?
1/6.
What is the probability of getting odd number?
So 3/6.
Very good. What is the probability of getting prime number?
So 3.
So 4/6.
Very good. कौन सा 4 बेटा?
So 1, 2,
Sir,
3,
3/6.
5.
शांति रख। हाँ?
Actually 3/6, sir. I forgot.
क्यों?
Sir, because
1 is not prime
one,
number
yeah.
opposite.
क्यों प्राइम नंबर नहीं है? रेती रुक जा एक मिनट बेटा।
So 1 is not a prime number. So I did that by mistake.
Huh?
ठीक है? So theoretical probability will always stand constant for everyone, right? But practically when you take it is a random experiment, so you may or may not get. But suppose if I am doing some experiment, suppose I am tossing a coin, I toss it 10 times, right? I got 8 and 2, right? Brian toss it 100 times, correct?
Yeah.
And if they toss 1,000 times, what result I should believe?
Sure, 1,000.
Ritvika, right? Because it has done a more experiment, right?
Yeah.
When you draw this, it is called as a experimental probability, right? So when you
Yeah.
draw this multiple times, right? So result are more predictable, right? I'll show you this on the graph also, on my Excel also. So when you do this, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So initially when you find 10, 20, so your probability will come like this, right? Sometime you go down, sometime you go up, up, down, up, down. But slowly it will converge to 3.5 average, right? Because it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It is you got a total 21 divided by 6, it is 3.5, right?
Yes.
So I'll show you this one experiment which I done it for this dice. Hmm. Let me show. Probability. Right? I'll just open other related also, which is related to probability, right? Yeah. So this is I got a probability का पूरा paper है मेरे पास, right?
हाँ.
I've got the full probability paper, right? So how many questions you want for the probability, right? I have so many questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Probability of 19 then from the different book, right? See, I have completely probability on this, but it is a higher level, right? But we'll read these also because I don't have a probability. We'll solve the probability question from here. It is usually very simple, right? So I'm sending you this to do, and it is IGCSE only, right? But
Yes.
to do Venn diagram, I don't think you have Venn diagram, right, yet?
So we don't have.
So then you have to check only exercise number 13.3 and 33.1, 33.2, and 33.3. That's it, right? Very simple one. And we'll solve next time. You solve and come, right? So it is very simple. No much calculation required. Nothing much to be done, right? It is very simple. Okay. Now, देखो यहाँ पे कॉम्बिनेशन है क्या. This is why I did for my this year student for grade 8, right? I give them options, right? Somebody who drink tea, somebody who drink milk, somebody who drink coffee, and somebody who they don't drink anything, right? Correct. Now you have to find this. Okay, what exactly will get? It's a very good document. It is made by my student, and we have rectified and we have made, right. So what exactly you can find? This is going to be there for your higher grade, right? अभी नहीं होगा तुम्हारा, right? So don't worry about this. When you learn next time, next year, then I'll teach you how to. There are one diagram and there are so many probabilities they have done, right? Now यहाँ पे I'll just give the number of probabilities. I'll just put the numerical number. Yeah, 33 probabilities they have done. कितना?
33.
Very good. तो
Mama,
33 probability तुम्हारे पास आ जाएगा.
Mama.
क्या हो गया? किसको मम्मा की याद आ गई, right? So there are 32 types of probability you can always define, right? That's it. Right?
Bye. Bye.
Yeah. Correct है?
Yes.
So this probability document also I'll send you, but not this year. Next year I'll send you. Correct? Because अभी तुमको थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आएगा. Once I do the Venn diagram, then you will know. Right? See you. चलो. This is done. Okay. Now I'll tell you main Excel which I opened for you, right? Yeah. Can you see? Now this document I made it for you all, right? Can you see how many are there? How many are written? 5,000 experiment, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Now this is also experiment only, right? Can you see this? So many experiments,
Yeah.
correct?
Wow.
कितना टाइप किया ना मैंने? I don't have to type this, right? It's a
Yeah.
programming, randomly generated, right? So if I want to find the probability, I want to find the average for this, right? I'll just see कि कितना हमने किया, right? There is 5,000 and there are total how many times? 3,60,000 times we have done. Kitna?
3,60,000.
Can you see the average? Can you see
So,
the below average?
no.
Look at this.
Oh my days.
कितना आया?
So, 3.4.
0.495. Somewhere around 3.5, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. If I enter this again, right? Number change?
Yeah.
Number change, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see this? Number is changed again, right? Shall I
Yeah.
make it again? कितना हो गया?
So now it's 3.4.
3.50. पहले it was 3.49 something, right?
Yeah.
That is 3 point. Now again I click. Again it will change. See, everything is changing. Again I'll find. कितना हो गया?
So now it's 3. So now,
3.49. 3 नहीं है किधर भी, right? 3 इतना
um,
जल्दी आएगा नहीं. It will be nearly that only, right? It will never
yeah.
be so less, right?
Yeah.
So again I'll click. It will be either 3.4978 or it will be 3.5012, right? Somewhere around very near to 3. Can you see this? 3.50019. See? Clear?
Yeah.
Again I click. Check. 3.498, right? So it is merely 0.02 point ka difference hai, which is very minute, right? But if I take only single line like this, right? I'm taking this single line. देखो अभी क्या हो गया? कितना हो गया?
So now I can't see it because of some white line.
3.76, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Correct?
Yeah.
Now if I take second one, right? This I showed you, right? I'll take the second row. कितना हो गया?
So now it's
3.23, right?
3.3. Yeah.
If I say this one, 3.48. This is
Or
near.
8.
This one, 3.75.
3.75.
This one, 3.19. See, there is too less or too high, right?
3.48.
3.48. This is nearby, right? This one,
3.9.
3.29.
29.
But when you see this, it is between 3.2, 3.25, 3.2 to 3.8 लगे जा रहा, right? There's a
हाँ.
wide difference, right? But if I merge all of this, which become 570, देखो 3.43 तक आ गया, right? So if I keep on doing it, I'll just show you this. कितना था यहाँ पे? 3.76, right?
हाँ.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Brian, there's
हाँ.
72 experiment, I do double, right?
Yeah.
कितना हो गया? 3.5 exact, right?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Next, 3.49, 3.55, 3.48. So it is going up, down, up, down, up,
Uptown.
down, right?
Yes, sir.
3.488, 3.45, 3.43, 3.44, 3.43, 3.42, 3.45. Now see, variation become very less, right?
Yes.
3.43, 3.45, 3.46, 3.46, 3.48, 49, 45, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47,
7, 4,
49,
9,
49,
10,
50,
50,
50,
50,
5,
5,
3.5 exact, 3.50, 50,
0,
50, 50, 50, 496.
9,
Now
6.
the variation will become because the number of experiments become around 2, 3,000, 4,000, right?
Yeah.
Now the variation will become very, very less. Can you see this? 3.499, 3.496, 3.498, 3.49, 49, 49, 48, 48, 48, 48, 49, 49. Now the deviation will become because number of experiments that is more reliable. Got it? Yes or no? But if I check this one, it is directly 5,000 experiment, right?
Yeah.
Because I was taking 75, 70, 72 earlier, then I was incrementing by 72. I am taking this 5,000 directly. And I shifting of this, like it is 3.499, 3.50, 3.50, 3.49, 3.48. See? Because I am doing 5,000 different. This is directly got at substantial amount of this thing, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is called as practical this thing, right? So it will vary if your number of ये भी देखो यहाँ पे भी change होगा, right? Can you see here? जो color coding के साथ it is changing, right? It is
Yeah.
4.71 यहाँ पे जाए जो 3.5 exactly जब आएगा that will be no color, right? See, so it is blue, green, pink, green orange, green orange, green orange, right? See here, right? So it is two times. देखो कितनी बार 3.1 3. Exit 3.5 आया. Here देखो, correct? Can you see this? But when you take this below, if you seek 5,000 ka 3.53, 3.53, 3.48, 3.50, 3.49, 3.51, and finally 3. If I take it here 30,000 ka bana liya, right? See, can you see this? It is not changing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the more number of experiment you do it, what you get. If you do less number of experiment, the result are not reliable, right? But if you do a quite number of good number of experiment, then your practical probability will near or it will come very near to the theoretical probability. Correct? यहाँ पे देखो सबका probability of getting one, selection two, selection three, selection four, selection five. I take the overall also average and I take it for one also, right? This is my theoretical property. Hardly 1% difference. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Hardly one difference. Ideally, you should get 5,000 each, right? But everywhere you see 4,900, 5,050. So 50 points plus or minus. See, if I take it here, see, correct? Hardly any time you get a difference, right? For 2%. But otherwise, it is all between the range. देखो यहाँ पे कभी ये गलत आ गया, right? But if you see the whole one, it is still matching, right?
Yes.
3.51. The total, it is still matching, right? But if I take this 1, 2, 3, 4 from here for 3,60,000, you will not have even a 1% variance, right? Correct? So more the experiment, more reliable the result. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's done. Now we have to check the decimal 41. ये हो गया तुम्हारा? We have to check this. हाँ?
Decimal.
You have not put it. 41, 141, 143, 145. I'll check the paper. Next class, right? On Monday. Done? Probability chapter number कौन सा था probability का?
Sir, I'm pretty sure 14.
14. ठीक है. Chapter 14, and I'll solve from this. I'll send you the book from where you can solve this, right? Chapter 14, probability. तुम्हारा 14 तो बेटा और कौन सा चैप्टर है?
So 14 is probability.
14 NIS, करेक्ट? ठीक है ना? ये मैं ले लेता हूँ यहाँ पे चैप्टर 14 NIS. ओके, आई एम सेंडिंग यू वन प्रोबेबिलिटी का डॉक्यूमेंट. कहाँ गया? टेरिबल. 33.1, 2 and 3 you have to do, right? Will you finish by next Monday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
So it's a chapter
33,
33.
33, 33.1, 33.2 and 33.3. Correct है? Then I am sending you this document on B wala group, right?
Yeah.
चलो, see you, bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.